Day 4 of our 12 days of Christmas. We're almost halfway there. Today I will be creating something quick, fun, and easy for the kids. These pink buckets can be for the children in the family on Christmas Day, or you can even make them and have them for your students in your classroom. We're gonna fill these plastic containers with a little fun activity as well as a treat. Now these containers are about 24.5 ounces, really good size. Here you will see the Nutcracker activity set. So it comes with 6 colors: pink, red, yellow, blue, black, and white. Also, it has some sticky eyeballs as well as some colorful jewels. How fun is this? Then we're gonna proceed by adding some stamps. These are one of my favorite little items to add to some of these gifts. So we have a stamp that says "Do not open until Christmas." We have a to and from stamp, as well as the Christmas tree stamp. So we're going to tuck those in each of the buckets. We also have a paintbrush, but we will not be adding it inside of the bucket, but attaching it to the outskirts of the bucket at the end. Here we have another favorite of mine, which are the marshmallow mug huggers and the marshmallow cocoa toppers. These are so good. You guys have to try them. So each of the pink buckets now have their 3 items in there, which is the Nutcracker activity set, the marshmallow treat, as well as the Christmas stamp. We're going to go ahead and close them all up. And as I mentioned, this will come with one pink brush, but the pink brush will be attached to the outside of it. So let's go ahead and close them all up. So we have our buckets all nice and neatly closed up. We are going to quickly add our paint brushes. Now you can add the paint brushes with a clear piece of tape or adhesive 2-sided tape to make it look neat. See you tomorrow.